Good morning, YouTube family. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Today is a busy day here at Raffield's Refuge. This video is going to be how I am learning how to simplify my life. That way I can be more productive in certain areas. And as many of you know, it is hard at times to juggle life and juggle the things that we want to do. But I am learning, and I think I have come up with a plan, a solution, and that is what I'm going to share with you today. Good morning, family. So yes, Leon has been up early this morning. I have not even made my bed, but I have been up quite a while. He has already been here and there and burning trash and everything, but I wanted to explain to you some difficulties that I've had in my life. Juggling different things in different areas. I have been doing some research behind the sidelines, extensive research on how other people juggle life. Okay, some that I've come across have been literally ridiculous, but I have found a medium. I do believe my goal is to share some of those things with you, and hopefully it can help you maybe if you are going through the same kind of situations that I am going through. I wanted to start out by saying, in case most of you do not know me, my role in my life and what I do not work outside of the home, and so it is my job to keep things afloat, so to speak, while Leon is gone on the days that he is gone. So I take care of the garden, I take care of the animals, and I also take care of the house as well. I pretty well have all that down to a T. So I have a routine in the mornings. I check everything. I make sure everything's watered. I gather the eggs. I feed the animals. And if you've been watching our videos for a while, you kind of know the routine that I have in this area. I just want to say, as I make my bed, that we all have different walks of life that we go through. We have different hobbies, different talents, and different ways of doing things in our everyday life. Also, our responsibilities are different. Some people work outside of the home. Some people do not have farms. Everyone is different and unique in their own way. So I am in Kyler's room, and Leon has taken the top bunk off. And you guys, the reason for that is because it is very difficult to make this bed and change the sheets and things like that. And when we bought the bunk beds, we had good intentions, thinking that the top bunk would be used, and actually no one has ever slept on the top bunk. So I had Leon take the top bunk off, and I am going to be rearranging this room and cleaning it out. Okay, Leon is going to tell us how he obtained this most valuable to him possession.
Victoria, my daughter, had this autograph signed. The backup quarterback for the New Orleans Saints, Chase Daniel, she used to cut his hair. So that's how I got this, come about this football.
So his daughter is a professional hair cutter, and she cut Chase's hair?
Chase Daniels, yeah.
The quarterback?
He was the backup quarterback.
The backup
to Drew
quarterback.
Brees.
So he went and had all of these people sign it, and she did it for Leon in 2010. That was very sweet, huh?
Yep.
And so he's had it. So I had that in Kyler's room, just kind of displaying it.
I need to put some air in it.
And Leon said he needs to put some air in it.
And I quit watching football too when they started kneeling to the American anthem. That was disrespect, and I have no respect for the NFL. I haven't watched an NFL game in 10 years.
Yeah. So he no longer watches it at this moment. But, all right. And so, where did you get that football?
This here was, I got from a Saints game. It was the Saints against the Washington Redskins. And the Saints made an interception. They threw it in the stand and all got it.
Oh, so you was in the stands and you caught it?
Yeah.
Yes, indeed. Cool. Huh?
See on the Redskins. It's written right there.
Wow. All right. So these are just a few items that we have displayed in Kyler's room. There's Kyler right there. And I've got to clean this shelf off, you guys. There's things on here that need to go. All of these boxes are full. I'm not going to really clean them out, like get rid of a lot of things, but I am going to get rid of things like this. This is one example of, purchased this at a secondhand shop, not even thinking. I'd never even seen this on here. I did know it had some creatures in here, but I mean, Spider-Man, you would think, is like it was back in the day, but it is not. This is a magnet set. So you take, I got rid of a lot of the magnets when I bought the book, but I kept Spider-Man and then a few of these creatures, and I do not know who they are, but it's magnets and you put it on each page. But I'm getting rid of stuff like this because I just know, you know, out of observing it closer, that it's just not something that I want in the house, nor do we want it in our grandson's room. So this is going. Things like this are going as well. Okay, we are done with Leon's help. I got done a little bit quicker. We put his desk right here. Kyler likes to color and do all kind of things. Plus he has the chalk, and I think it looks good. And of course Leon put the TV back on that wall, and you know the reason why, huh, babe? Because you could see it when you're laying in the bed. Alright, and so that is all for today. I feel very good about this. I can actually make the bed with ease, and I think Kyler will like it as well when he comes. It actually looks like he has more room. What do you think, babe? It's just simplified, and I really love it. You guys, I just put a few toys over here in the corner that he likes to play with. I may get him a little table to go there, a side table. But other than that, this is all. I think I'm going to keep the walls bare because the more you put on the walls, the more it just feels like that you're smothered. And that's the way I feel. I mean, not everybody probably feels that way, but that's the way I feel. I'm going to sit down and go through the toy box and the shelves and everything, the drawers of the dresser in this room. And I'm going to take my time and precisely go through everything. I'm so excited about simplifying this room. It feels so much better already. Thank you guys for coming along with me. I am going to be moving into another room another day and videotape that as well until I get the whole house simplified and every cabinet. I'm going to take you into some embarrassing cabinets that you have not seen yet, and we're going to do it together. I love you guys, and until next time, I will see you on the next video. Bye, guys.